I just thought I would share a few things that I've purchased recently, received recently, and bought off of Amazon recently, just to put something out there. So let's see, first I guess we'll just start with the Amazon box. So this is just, I wasn't even sure what I had gotten from Amazon. I actually thought there was more baby clothes in here, but so I just opened it. So I got an LOL surprise dance for me, or my grandson kind of still likes them. He's grown out of them a little bit, but they're just fun. I just bought him one last weekend and we opened it and it was really cute, so I ordered another one. This Barbie outfit, because I bought a made to move Barbie, and I also bought another Barbie, and I just wanted them to have something else to wear besides what they had on. So it's just a little sweatsuit with a little hat. Cute, kind of abnormal, not the norm kind of thing that I usually buy, but I guess taking after like the Reborns, I wanted to change the Barbie that I bought into something cuter, so I bought that. And then this is fun. Look at these socks. I was going through my socks the other day and I thought, oh, I need some more cute socks, and I looked at socks for days and days on Amazon, and these are Hudson Bay 8-pair knee-high socks, 0 to 6 months, and I just thought they were so cute. And they're right around like the theme sort of like the leg warmers that I bought, just like fun things to put on with onesies. There's a bear, a bunny, I think that's an owl, yeah, has wings and the little feathers, little fox, and then these ones on the back are just a couple of plain ones, one with hearts and just other designs. So that was fun. And then apparently I bought some just white onesies. and they're just Gerber organic, oh right there, size 0 to 3 months. So I bought those from Walmart. In my last video with Christmas, I was saying how you can get the cute stuff from Walmart for summertime, well, all year long, really. And so I picked these up. I got 18 months. So I got this gray with these bright flowers on them, and it's only $3.98. This shirt, short sleeve shirt. And this has a snap, it's like a onesie. This cute elephant shooting out bright hearts. And then unicorns, because there's unicorns everywhere always, and those are fun spring, summer. And then I just got her these 18-month leggings that will go with every one of these shirts, plus these ruffly butt purple ones that will also go with any of them, so they all can go together, mix and match. So I got those for Christmas. See, this would be cute. Well, all of them are cute, but this is cute because it has the, well, never mind, I forgot about her big body. I was gonna say this is cute with some knee-high socks, but she has the bigger body, and that is something that I was going to order off Amazon. That's what I thought I had ordered, was some of those shorts like I put on her last time, but I must have decided not to. I must have thought everything was costing too much in the cart and just went away with these two things. Okay, and then thirdly, I have made a friend in the community, and it's just super great. I love being able to talk to her about dolls and other things, and she was so kind. She sent me a package with some fun stuff in it, and so I thought I would just share those things. first of all, look at this little elephant. Isn't he adorable? He is so cute, and I've been wanting to take pictures with him, and I haven't taken pictures yet of anybody for a minute. So I'll put Sage over here. Sage is our prop boy. He was with us with our little bundle baby, but he has been laying with the little elephant. So look how cute. Perfect size, and it's so cute with the babies. Anyway, I was gonna grab something else, but, and she sent me this cute outfit. It's got elephants, a big elephant with a little baby elephant. It has a little hat and these little pants that are adorable with the little elephants on them, also with this night sky and stars, and those all go together. So you know what, we might turn this into a changing video and change Sage into this with his elephant, and then I will have an outfit that will be picture ready. So we might just do that in just a moment. She also sent me this super cute little preemie, no sleeve, fun summer shark onesie that has little bright red crabs on it and one bright little shark. That is so cute. I might have to just put that on Badger, my little blessing. And then this cute little hat, which I love having these, and I need more of them because I always put them on my little babies when they're on the shelf so that their paint doesn't rub off. And this one is really cute. It has elephants and bears and koalas, and like a little cat and a bunny. All of a sudden I was thinking when I saw the koala, I just really love koalas. I loved koalas as a kid. I had a little one that had like the hands that were hooked. It was on my bedpost. That's something that I kind of forgot about, that I used to just really love koalas. Anyway, and then this cute, the next big thing, and I love getting onesies for this new season that's coming up, and look how cute these will go with a pair of these socks. I think it's a preemie, it is, and I have plenty of preemies. I actually was changing my tinks yesterday, and I was looking at my half pints peony and thinking, oh, I just want to change her into something, but I don't know what. And now I have something super fun that I want to put on her, and maybe that will be another picture I'll be able to take. So there's that. And then she sent me this 0 to 3 months Old Navy. I've never owned an Old Navy baby outfit, I don't think. It have a nice heart, and I love this color. And I can already think of a few babies who I love with the darker colors on them, because it seems like a lot of clothes you buy are light pinks and whites and creams. Well, it seems like I do. And I'm always drawn to these brighter, darker colors. So this will be fun. What was it? 0 to 3 months. And I have some babies I have been wanting to change, so I will be changing them into this. Trying to think. I've been wanting to change my Sonia, my Shia, and she would look good in this. Also Huxley would look really cute in this. So we will be loving that. And then she sent me this Born to Surf. I'm sure it's a newborn. It is, because you can tell it's wider, but it's kind of short. And that is so fun. Super cute. My husband would love that. He was a surfer growing up. So, loving these fun Christmas, summer outfits. So, that's way cute. And she also sent me these adorable bows. And look at this. This is something that would look so cute on a few of my, not bald, but painted, baldy looking heads. especially like, let me grab her. Oh, Ellie Sue. She has the perfect head for bows like this. And this is the kind of bow that I do not have. Oh, look how cute. See? Covers up the baldness and is so cute. Oh, that's adorable on her. So we're loving that too. And maybe I'll just set her back up here. She's so heavy and super fluffy. Drop my rainbow. And these cute bows, which would look super cute in, should we just model them right now? In Margot's hair, because she has all of this hair. I also have my Alara. I need to get her out more, down more. That has a lot of hair. I don't want to pull at it right now. I'd have to maybe put a little ribbon or a little elastic to hold it, but look how cute. Those are so cute. And there's a dark pink and a light pink. And then, oh, I was getting excited. And then look at these socks. These are so cute. I love polka dots. Should we try them on Margot? Take off these leg warmers. Oh, I need to go eat lunch. I'm starving. Oh, these are so cute. They're cute, pulled up. Or even folded down. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. Thank you, Robin. I love how they look like little tights. Oh, those are so cute. And she also sent me this bright, fun bow, and Christmas doesn't have hair, but it would go great with these outfits. But because Margot hair is so big, I'm sure she could fit in those outfits and be able to wear this fun big bow too. I'm not going to take it off right now. It has tape on it. And then I wanted to try this on, but I'm not going to put it on her because of her hair. This is a different kind of headband that I haven't had before. Who should I grab? We're going to grab Huxley over here. Because she has the perfect head for bows. Look at this. Look how cute. Oh, that's so, it's like silly cute. And that's cute. And with the perfect little outfit, that could be so fun. Well, it is fun. So we love that. Seeing that too, I was thinking this would look so good with her coloring. So we'll have to be changing her. And she also sent me this super cute one, and I love, and this is another one that would be cute on Ellie Sue. It almost looks like those head wraps. Oh, it looks cute on her too, and it matches what she's wearing. Hers kind of a mashup outfit, but this is her little dragon. So we'll put her back. Tripping over this box. Don't fall. And last but not least, this adorable little knitted dress and this little hat. And I was looking at this and I want to put it on one of my little silicones, on my little briar. I think this would be so cute on her. But she's wrapped up right now, so I will have to do that later. But I love this cute little knitted dress. It would also fit the preemies really well. The tiny girls. Here's his team. See, what a fun little knitted little summer dress, even with the little hat. But I really think on Briar it's going to be adorable. So that is all of my things that I have that are new. So fun. And I guess I still need to get some shorts for Christmas because I thought I'd bought some. So let's change stage really quick and try out his new little elephant outfit. So I had these leg warmers on him, these fun boy colors, and they just kind of brightened up this gray and white outfit that he is wearing. And his hair is gorgeous, and his face just looks so cute. There's his hidden passy. Looks so cute with hats on it. So I find myself putting those little hats on him all the time when I get him dressed. So here's this cute little guy. Isn't he adorable? I just love this sculpt. I just love it so much. Okay, here's his little outfit. I haven't quite figured out his size yet. Newborn to 3 months because his torso is so bigger, and sometimes the newborns are tight. I think I've mostly put newborn on him though, but I have a lot of 0 to 3 months, which isn't a big difference. Oh, these fit in perfectly. Look at those. How cute. Those are so cute. I don't think I've ever put little pants on him that have feet in them. That's so cute. And then this will fit him well, I can tell. Be careful with his fingertips. It's fun that the seasons are changing pretty soon. I gotta get my summer outfits out and start changing everybody into those. Alright, it doesn't have the hidden snap that always confuses me. See? When I got him, I thought, or even before I had him, when I first saw the sculpt, I wondered about how he would fit into outfits because of his dwarfism. But I have found that pretty much everything I put on him fits him really well. You might have to scrunch the sleeves a little bit, but I just feel like everything I've put on him has just been so cute, and including this. Look how cute he looks. Little elephant boy. I don't know if this is gonna fit his big noggin though. No, it's stretching it out. Buddy, your head is kind of large. We might have to do without the hat. But he has his little lovey. And this is a little elephant boy. So cute. So anyway, that's our small random haul. That's our baby boy in his new elephant outfit. And I just want to say thank you. Thank you, Robin, for the fun stuff. And I hope you all are doing well. And we will see you again soon. Love you guys.